Hi everyone, this is Amrita and today's video explores a fruit-only diet or the fruitarian diet. What is it and how good is it for your health? So first, what is the fruit-only diet? The fruit-only diet, also known as the fruitarian diet, involves eating only raw fruits, sometimes maybe some nuts and seeds, for either weeks at a time or for some months at a time. This diet is very popular on social media. If you are active on Instagram, you will have seen bloggers and Instagrammers post content with the fruitarian hashtag. On YouTube, you will have seen her. Now, before we start to explore whether or not this diet works, let's first have a look at why this diet has become so popular. Well, people who have tried this diet claim that it helps with digestion, aids weight loss, helps with better hydration, and, and this is one of my least favorite nutrition buzzwords, helps with detoxification. Now, I have an entire video about the merits and downfalls of detoxification for all you full-time detoxers out there, so you can check it out right here. Also, I am aware that fruit-only diets are an integral part of ritual fasting in our country. Usually though, this is only done for a day or two at a time, or maybe maximum a week. Think of Navratri. So when I'm talking of a fruit-only diet, it's not these ritual fasts that I'm talking about. Eating differently for a couple days at a time is unlikely to cause any major damage to your long-term health. Okay, so getting back to the main point. Is it okay to be eating just fruits? We know that fruits are great for health, so eating only fruits should be great too, right? Well, some fruit is great, more is not necessarily better, and a fruitarian diet is not ideal for your health. Let's have a look at few reasons why. Number one, it is lacking in certain important nutrients. Sure, fruits are a great source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, even antioxidants. In fact, the sugar found in fruit also acts as a source of energy for the body. What's missing then? For starters, fruits are almost completely lacking in protein, and we need protein for muscle building, muscle repair, and for growth. We also need protein to make enzymes and hormones, which are chemicals that parts of our body use to communicate and to interact with each other. Fruits are also not a good source of fat, and we need different kinds of fat for the health of our brain, immune system, and reproductive system. Girls, the hormones that regulate your period are made from fat, and you really don't want to mess with these. In fact, fat is one of the raw materials that makes up every single cell in your body. So you need fat, and fruits won't give you fat. And when you don't get adequate fat and protein, you're automatically at risk for nutrient deficiencies like vitamin B12, vitamin D, calcium, and iron, to name a few. Reason number two, you can't sustain this diet in the long run because, as discussed above, it's lacking in several very important nutrients. You might get results in the short term, but it's very hard to maintain these if you don't know how to eventually balance your meals. This cannot be a lifestyle that you can stick to, and eventually, this might alter and damage your relationship with food.
Not a great plan.
Reason number three, too few calories. Remember that although fruit has sugar, it also has a lot of fiber. And fiber makes you feel very full. Because of this, you might not be able to eat as much as your body needs in terms of energy. For example, say your body needs 2000 calories of energy from food every day to function. It's really hard to get this amount by just eating fruit. And when you don't get enough calories from your food, your body will start to break down muscle to supply this energy. And we definitely don't want that. And reason number four, risk of health issues. A fruit-only diet may not be ideal for some people with blood sugar regulation issues, like people with diabetes, pre-diabetes, and even PCOS. In fact, consuming enough protein and fat makes up a very important part of the management of these conditions. So while eating fruits is great for your health, please don't eat only fruits. You won't get all the nutrients you need, and you're setting yourself up to be malnourished in the long run. If you are following this diet for weight loss purposes, know that weight loss doesn't necessarily mean health gain, and losing weight through following this method of eating is really doing nothing for your health. Instead, focus on a balanced eating pattern, get enough regular sleep and exercise, and maybe work with a dietitian to help you figure out what food eating pattern best suits your individual health needs. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave them in the comments below. Reach out to me on Instagram or also send me an email. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.